Yo, hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. I wanna say happy Xmas and happy New Year. I'm back again. I'm back again to Austria and I got some packages. Yeah, that's right. So, but I'm not gonna unbox these ones because I've already unboxed it. And this one aside. Today I'm gonna unbox this Kemei Max 5090. So stay tuned. So as you all can see, this Kemei Max really look like Andis GTX EXO. It can be, this one is a little bit smaller. I don't know. I don't have Andis GTX EXO. So this is how the box looks like. Simple box. And this streamer got a 600 milliamp battery with 1.5 hours charging time and 90 minutes operating time, which is good. It's not bad for a trimmer. And got USB Type-C charging, which is good. And the blade, you can put wall T-wide blade on it. So let's open it up, man. And as usual, charging cable with a USB Type-C. The manual. And of course, no oil. That's, I guess, 6 guards. 6, I guess. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 guards. And little brush. So this is it. Like I said before, USB Type-C. LCD display, on and off switch. Looks good. It's not bad. Somehow it's and this GTX EXO replica. And the good thing, got a logo on it, It's good. So it's not possible to be zero gapped, you know. Doesn't have the two screws inside, you know. But I'm gonna open it up and you can see, you know. So with the stock blade, you cannot zero gap it, but this blade takes a wall T wide blade. It's the same like wall T wide blade, you know. So you can put wall T wide blade. I haven't tried it, but it's a wall T wide blade, you know. This is how it looks like. Okay, and they never write how many watts on their website. I guess it's written 3 watts or something like that. So so this is it, and let's make a sound check. I was oiling it already. Okay, it's not sharp at all. So, but I guess if you change this blade, it will be okay. I guess so. So the best thing to do here, you can try to change the cutter blade, you know, because it's a walty white blade. Then if you can change the cutter blade, I guess it's not bad, because it's not bad looking and it's not robust, you know, which I really like. The RPM is not much, but I guess some people will like it, you know. And that's it, guys, and peace. Yes, 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 yes.